This pecan dump cake is part of our classic holiday dessert collection. It's easy, gooey, and perfect for potlucks, parties, or any night you need a crowd pleaser. And we're going to start it with
some brown sugar.
2 cups of brown sugar, actually. Love the smell of brown sugar.
I do too. All right, and then we're going to mix in some Karo syrup.
This is a cup of Karo syrup. Now to that, because it's getting looks like a little hard.
Loopy.
Yeah. You're going to add half a cup of melted butter. We're going to trade out here. This gets pretty thick. It can be kind of hard to push around. Also to this, you're going to add 3 eggs and 2 teaspoons of vanilla. Now, before we go any further, you do want to make sure that this is one consistent filling. Don't add any of the pecans until this is completely mixed. All right, what's next?
Add the pecans to the filling.
We're going to mix these well.
And that's a lot of pecans. 3
cups of pecans, actually. But it's looking a whole lot like the interior of a pecan pie. All right, those are all in there. All my pecans are covered in that filling. And now I believe we are going to put it into the pan.
And this is a prepared dish that we've already sprayed.
Right, you can see it reflecting there. This is a 9 by 13.
Yep.
And you want to be very generous with your spray. Just pour that in there, get it all evenly distributed. Make sure that there's no errant pecans that are sticking up above.
So now we're going to add the cake mix, and we're going to use my battery powered sifter.
And we're just going to use it to get it on there really fast and really evenly. Now, if your cake mix has some little pieces of nuts or something in it, this isn't going to work.
And you want to be careful not to mix these 2 layers together.
Right.
Let me also say that this is a butter pecan cake mix. You could use chocolate cake mix, you could use a white cake, you could use yellow cake to go with this delicious filling.
Done that. Next, we are going to put 3/4 of a cup of butter. We're going to try to get this as evenly over the butter layer, as evenly over the cake as we can, without dropping it. This bowl. All right, here's our hot water. We just microwave that for a minute on high. Just drizzle that on.
So I'm going to try to make sure that I get water in the places where I don't have butter. And you see it just kind of pulls back.
All right, then we're going to need some brown sugar. Just sprinkle that in there. We're going to add a little more brown sugar to it, help the crust. We could have run this through the sifter also.
Yeah, I don't know that it might have done it too much. I can imagine that this would be really good with coffee.
Of course, if you wanted extra rich, ice cream.
And if the 3 cups of pecans that are actually in the mix wasn't enough, to the top we're going to add another cup of pecans. So 4 total cups of pecans.
All right.
There we go. So we're going to bake this at 350 degrees for 35 to 40 minutes. And here it is, fresh out of the oven. Look how nice and just rich in flavor that looks. Of course, you want to check it. Easiest way to do that is to stab it with a knife. Make sure it comes out clean. But that's all there is to it. So watch this next video, like and subscribe.
And leave a comment. Tell us what you think. Would you make this dessert? Do you think this looks like something perfect for your Thanksgiving table? We think it's perfect for ours and for yours. Bye.
Bye.